Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all things Amazon, hotels, outdoors, things like that. But today we're going to go ahead and review this portable piano. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. User manual. The actual piano itself. Check it out. We should be able to hook it up to our iPad, computer, things like that. See, it's got USB Type-C options. So let's go and actually hook it up and try it out. All right, so we're gonna actually go ahead and hook it up to our iPad. So just make sure you have GarageBand, or at least that's the one I'm gonna use. So they provide a USB to Type-C, but I'm gonna need a Type-C to Type-C. So I'm gonna go ahead and just plug it in. All right, so then it brought us to this screen right here. So we're gonna go ahead and hit keyboard and it should be ready to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit play on this keyboard. That's cool. So now we should be able to modify the type of piano as well. So right now it's under grand piano. Let's try electric piano. So it changes lead as well. It should work on here too. And then let's also try the organ. Very, very cool. So let me give you a view of what it looks like. All right, here is our layout. Up to our iPad, like I said, and you can modify different things on here. Yep, as you can see, ready to go. All right, guys, so there you guys have it. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new portable piano, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so I could get yours. Highly recommend.